In this video, I will show you how to delete a Google account step by step. If you no longer need the account and want to permanently remove it from Google, then make sure to follow along with me to learn how to delete your Google account properly. Also, before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you want to make sure you're signed into the Google account that you want to delete. After doing that, click onto your profile icon, and on this menu that comes up, you want to click onto manage your Google account. Now from here, what you can do is come over to the search box, so just down here underneath your details, and in here just simply type delete Google account. Now once you've done that, you should see some Google account results come up. You can see we've got the option here to delete your Google account. And what it's going to do first of all is ask you to enter your password for a quick verification check. Now once you've entered your password, you'll be taken to this screen. It's important that you do read through this very carefully, as it does contain some important information, so don't skip past this bit. Make sure you do read it in full. And it's going to tell you what content is going to be deleted. So this is going to be all content associated to your Google account. So if you have like a YouTube channel and a Gmail as well, because they're all Google services, they're all going to be deleted as well. But you can find all that information down here. So what you need to do is scroll down after reading this and just tick the two boxes here. Once you've done that, click the blue delete account button. And what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, as it says your Google account and all its data have been deleted. Now, if you have accidentally deleted your Google account, or say you change your mind, you do have a short amount of time to recover it. So you can see there's a button here to recover your account if you have done this by accident, or maybe you've changed your mind. So that is how to delete a Google account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.